Hey, what if I told you could make money online and help save the planet at the same time? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around because today I am going to show you exactly how you could do both without any special skills or a big following. Imagine this. You are sitting at home, you share a link with your friends, and suddenly, not only are you earning cash, but you are also helping plant trees, feed hungry kids, or even clean up the ocean because of climate change. Crazy? Maybe, but it is 100% real, and I will show you how in just a minute. Let me tell you a quick story. Last month, I was looking for ways to make my affiliate marketing more meaningful. I stumbled upon a company that sells eco-friendly water bottles. Here is the cool part. For every bottle sold, they plant a tree. I thought, what if I could help my viewers make money and make the world greener? So I shared my affiliate links, and in just 1 week, our little community helped plant 30 trees. That's when I realized affiliate marketing can be about more than just money. It can be about making a real difference. So, what is cost-driven affiliate marketing? It is simple. You promote products that support a good cause, like helping the environment or donating to charity. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, and part of the sale goes to a cause you care about. Now, you might be wondering, how do I find these awesome products? Don't worry, I will show you exactly how in just a second. Step 1. Pick a cause you care about. Do you love animals? Want to help the planet? Or maybe you want to support kids in need? Choose something that excites you. Step 2. Find products that support that cause. Look for companies that donate a portion of sales or do something good with every purchase. For example, some brand plant a tree for every item sold or donate meals to hungry families. Step 3. Sign up for their affiliate program. Most companies have simple sign-up process. You will get your own special link to share. Step 4. Share your story and the impact. Don't just say buy this. Instead, tell your viewers, every time you buy through my link, you help plant a tree. Show real numbers. For example, this month we planted 50 trees together. People love to see the difference they are making. Here is the best part. You are not just making money, you are building a community that cares. Imagine your viewers feeling proud every time they buy something you recommend, knowing they are helping a cause. That is powerful. That's what makes people want to share your video and join your mission. So, are you ready to make money and make a difference? Drop a comment below and tell me what cause you would love to support. And if you want to see more real-life examples and step-by-step guides, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Next week, I will reveal my top 3 favorite cost-driven affiliate programs. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. And remember, making money is great, but making a difference is even better and greater. See you in the next video.